who is said to become the second Indian-born woman to fly space after Kalpana Chawla. Sirsha Bandla. Which state CM has launched the Bima scheme with new guidelines? Andhra Pradesh. Pushkar Singh Dhami, who became the 11th and youngest Chief Minister of Uttarakhand, is an MLA from which constituency? Khatima. In which Indian city is the world's third largest cricket stadium being planned to be constructed? Jaipur. The government said to form how many farmer producer organizations across the country? $10,000. Which country has imposed a moratorium on death penalty at the federal level in July 2021? United States. Who has developed the first batch of 12 short span bridging systems? Defense Research and Development Organization. The CRPF has signed an MOU with which company to train forces in advanced technologies? CDAC. When the death anniversary of Swami Vivekananda is observed? July 4th. What was the theme of International Day of Cooperatives celebrated on July 3rd, 2021? Rebuild Better Together. Tribal Affairs Minister laid the foundation stone for construction of 5 Eklavya Model Residential School in which state? Jharkhand. Which ministry has launched the Nipun Bharat? Education Ministry. Which survey ships of India has completed the survey data of the MV Express Pearl acid leak and fire accident? INX Sarvekshak. Which organization has issued instructions for the appointment of MD WTD in urban cooperative banks? RBI. The central government has increased the retirement age of LIC chairman to how many years? 62 years.